Ready to dive into the fast-paced world of Solana DeFi and unlock the potential of Raydium? First, you'll need a Solana wallet like Phantom or Solflare. Go to Raydium.io and click the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner and select your preferred wallet. This will allow you to connect your wallet to the Raydium platform. Now, let's perform a swap. On the Raydium interface, find the swap section, select the token you want to exchange from the top drop-down, and the token you want to receive in the bottom drop-down. Then, enter the amount you want to swap and click the swap button. Providing liquidity is another key feature. Navigate to the Liquidity tab, select the token pair you want to provide liquidity for, enter the amount of each token, and click Supply. Want to earn more? Check out the Farm section for yield farming opportunities. Choose a farm, deposit your LP tokens, and start earning rewards. Remember, providing liquidity carries the risk of impermanent loss, so do your research and understand the risks involved. Raydium also offers advanced features like limit orders. Use them to set your desired price for buying or selling tokens. Diversify your portfolio and manage your risk across different pools and farms for optimal results. By understanding these steps and exploring Raydium's features, you're well on your way to navigating the Solana DeFi ecosystem. Don't forget to always double-check transactions and stay informed.